Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear. There's always a spark of light in darkness.
You're mine!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Your ceremonial garb is truly stunning. A perfect look for this year's Hellfire Gala.
I did not travel between dimensions to dance. I came to fight.
Don't worry, the Gala always has plenty of chances for both.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Please, I've faced greater challenges in the danger room.
Some uninvited.
I suppose that helps.
My time to shine.
What a difference.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Everybody needs the mission area is yours.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Our enemy has been spotted. That's my old son.
I was fine, but thank you.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
I feel like myself again.
My time to shine. My time to shine.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Us against the world!
That's an edge of things. Our enemy has been spotted.
My time to shine.
Lights out.
What a difference.
And stay down!
I'm back to shed some light.
I need time to heal.
The area's almost yours.
A beam of light.
I suppose that helps.
I found one of them.
Lights out.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Double straight! Let the double!
Control lost. Much to prove.
Watch me soar!
Back to whatever netherworld you crawled out of.
Thank you.
This is real firepower!
I suppose that helps.
A beam of light.
Control seized. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Came right in time.
Behold, that child. My People are always afraid of Ty, but they just don't know him.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
No one escapes the inevitable.
I don't care. No mutant shall ever end up in your domain again.
So you say. But even a living island will meet its end, eventually.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
The hand couldn't take me down. These guys don't stand a chance.
I found one of them. Oh, look who's here. I suppose that helps.
A boom of light!
Lights out.
Usually I love fire.
But looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Just in time. Thanks.
Still, mission area is
You
yours.
put me out.
A commendable effort. It seems we are outnumbered.
Control lost.
Turn around, you fool! To me, allies!
I'll get you next time.
Of course. I suppose that helps.
Lights out.
My time to shine.
Some uninvited
Back to my old
guests.
self.
These robotic spiders could be an issue.
Taste my pain.
You think the spider's healing? Why would I need healing? You owe me one. Behold! That child! My time to shine.
Enemy needs help.
I feel like myself. You deserve the credit, not me.
My time to shine.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
I got all this stuff. Every little bit helps.
Let's go.
It's spider time!
Just embrace the light.
Back to my old self.
Us against the world.
Hell unleashed!
I feel like myself again.
Lights out.
They've almost got him!
Team play.
My time to shine. Don't blink.
I was fine.
Just embrace the light.
Control seize!
Taste my pain.
I don't care.
Darkness. Power.
A boom of light.
Ah, much better. Back to my old self.
These fights are bad guys. That topped me off. Thanks. Plasma's hot.
Just embrace the light. Let's help.
Find the exploding plasma! You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going!
Help in some shadows.
My time to shine.